Hey guys, just wanted to come back and do a quick video on this little key-shaped knife I found today at Harbor Freight. It's called the key-shaped stainless steel folding knife. It's like an exact copy of the SOG key-shaped knife, but for some reason I don't see it available anymore, the SOG. Well, at least when I checked on Amazon. There's a blade, has HF20 on it. And a nice feature about this knife is it has a locking mechanism. You see this part of the key handle, there's a lock. You can see in there the little ledge, locking ledge. It's pretty tiny. What kind of blew me away about this knife is there's like zero play in the blade once it's locked, and it has these little tiny serrations in the blade. This usually sells for I think $2.99, but today they had a 30% coupon going on for items under $10. So this little knife came out to like $2.09. It's got a nice little weight to it. They had like another key-shaped knife there that doesn't have a lock. It was a little bit cheaper. I think it was $1.99, but this seems like a lot better quality. That's how thick the blade is. Here's the packaging. I opened it. It's kind of ratty. This is what it looks like. This is the item number 57396. Lockback blade, stainless steel handle and blade construction. The only problem I have with this packaging is it says 2-inch half serrated blade. Let's see if it's 2 inches. No, it's about 1.5 inches opened. Not 2 inches at all. And overall, it's about 4 inches. Well, even not being 2 inches or 1.5 inches it's a cool little knife. Nice quality for only $2. So, if you want one, go check out Harbor Freight. If you like my videos, please give me a like, and if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. Okay? Until next time, take care.